So now you're creating really rich texture on the canvas that's personal because you've incorporated your own life into the work, your own surroundings. So the technique is no easels, no brushes, no color wheels, which is pretty mind-blowing, right, as far as the traditional definition of artistry is concerned. But the philosophy, I think, is the most exciting part of it all, and it's allowing the process to evolve into ideas. So rather than feeling like, okay, I need an idea first, and it's gotta be really incredible, and it's gotta be worthy of this blank canvas and my materials, which puts a lot of fear into people and a lot of stress. This process is about surrounding yourself with your favorite colors, infusing your environment into the work, and allowing that process to evolve into ideas, which is it just takes the stress off of a lot of artists.